Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the Sauce and Gravy channel just yet, smash that subscribe button. It's free and you'll have access to a huge amount of sweet and savory sauces. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a sauce for a steak. Not just any ordinary sauce for a steak, a brandy cream sauce for steak. It's perfect for steak and great to dip those steak fries in. Buckle up, let's go. These are the ingredients for a brandy cream sauce for steak. We have 3 tablespoons of butter, some sprigs of thyme, half of a shallot chopped nice and fine, half of a cup of Espagnole sauce. Check the link in the description for the recipe. We have a dash of salt, a little bit of pepper, half of a cup of cream, and 1/4 of a cup of brandy. Crank the burner up to medium to high. We want to get a good sear on that steak. Cook the steak however you like it done, but what we want are little bits and pieces on the bottom of the pan. That's fun, that's flavor, and that's how we're going to build this brandy cream sauce for steak. First, add 1 tablespoon of butter and a tiny bit of olive oil. That'll keep that butter from burning. Melt that butter down. Now it's time to throw on the steak. Season the steak, throw a little salt, little pepper on it, and then in it goes. And this is such a great bistro-style steak sauce that you can make at home. Fry up that steak. While the steak rests, whip up this brandy cream sauce. Boom, ready to go. Give that steak a flip. And then you can throw in a couple sprigs of thyme. So this looks great. We're going to take out the steak. We're going to let it rest. While it rests, let's dive into that steak sauce. The first thing you want to do is degrease the pan. You don't want all of that fat in there. We'll replace it with butter in order to cook our shallots. Now let's make the brandy cream sauce. Crank the burner up to medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt that butter down. Add half of a shallot finely cut. Saute this until it's nice and tender. So that looks perfect. So now we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of brandy. You can grab a whisk. It's a perfect time to scrape the bottom of the pan to try to incorporate all of those bits and pieces of the meat that were stuck on the bottom of the pan. We want that into our sauce. Evaporate pretty much all of the brandy. We don't want any of that alcohol taste. We want just the taste of the brandy itself and not that overpowering alcohol flavor. You can throw in a sprig of thyme. This looks good. We've reduced the brandy down. Now let's add half of a cup of Espagnole sauce. Mix it in. Espagnole sauce is such a great flavor enhancer. It's already a thick sauce, so you really don't have to reduce it down that much. We're just infusing the flavor. If you don't have Espagnole sauce, you can use a beef stock. You might just have to reduce this portion of the sauce down a little bit longer. This looks good. We've infused the flavors. Now it's time to add half of a cup of heavy cream. Mix it in. And while we mix this up, it would be a perfect time to smash that like button to get that algorithm to shoot this video out to all those that might enjoy learning how to make a brandy cream sauce for steak. And while you're there, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And to thank you for your support, I'm going to show you a picture of a cute parakeet. Simmer this slowly on medium to medium low for roughly about 5 minutes. You'll know whenever you're done, whenever it coats the back of the spoon or whenever the bubbles are really pronounced, and whenever you stir, you see trails and you can see the bottom of the pan. It's been about 5 minutes. The bubbles, they're well pronounced. Whenever you stir, you see the bottom of the pan. Now you can take it off heat. Add a notch of butter, roughly a tablespoon of butter. Mix that in. Another thing you can do is remove that thyme sprig. Give it a taste. Adjust the seasoning. Add a little bit of salt. Touch of pepper. Give it a mix. That's how you make a brandy cream sauce for steak. Check it out. Rich, delicious bistro-style steak sauce that you can make at home. Perfect for steak, perfect to dip those fries in. Oh, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed this brandy cream sauce for steak. If you like sauces for steak, click on this green peppercorn steak sauce or try out this Chateaubriand sauce, and I'll see you next time.